So you might be wondering, does Wealthy Affiliate give bad niche picking advice? No, it does not. So Wealthy Affiliate actually teaches you how to pick a niche based on your passion, because that's what's going to allow you to find success, because you're a lot less likely to quit. So I'm logged in on the site here in my account, and you can see they've got a bunch of different classes, and you learn about picking profitable niches, all these different niches that you can pick. They tell you about the different strategies. They have weekly classes, multiple classes a week from experts about all sorts of topics that are live, and then they post them later on so you can watch them at your own convenience. And the way that I think about it is that once you have one successful website on any specific niche that you're interested in, you're making money from it, you can just reinvest your profits, and then you can hire people to help you with a second website and a different niche, and then a third one eventually, and so on. So basically you can hire people who are passionate about the niches that are really profitable, even if you're not passionate about it. And so essentially it's kind of like outsourcing the passion people, and you can run this like a pure business so that you can remove yourself. But when you're just starting out with Wealthy Affiliate, then the best way to start an affiliate marketing blogging business, for example, is with starting with your passion and expanding from there. Because if you're interested in this certain topic, you're just much more likely to stick to it for like a year or so, which is usually how long it takes to start seeing significant traction. So if you want to try Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can use the link in the description. There's no credit card required. Now, a complaint that I've seen some lazy reviewers making is that Wealthy Affiliate teaches their students to write negative, really bad reviews about other courses just so that people can promote Wealthy Affiliate. So if you want to know the truth about that, click this video on your screen and I'll tell you what's actually happening.